Good morning, everyone. This is Nina Joyce E. Agliam. My topic for today is all about diagnostic assessment. What is diagnostic assessment? A diagnostic assessment is a form of pre-assessment where teacher can evaluate student strength, weaknesses, knowledge, and skills before the instruction. Diagnostic assessment. It is after discussing, you will make an evaluation to your student for what they learned and what are the topics that they didn't understand. The goal is to get a snapshot of where students currently stand intellectually, emotionally, or ideologically, allowing the instructor to make sound instructional choices as to how to teach the new course content and what teaching approach to use. Diagnostic assessment can also help benchmark student progress. Consider giving the same assessment at the end of the unit so students can see how far they come. Using Prodigy for diagnostic assessment. One unique way to delivering diagnostic assessments is to use a game-based learning platform that engage your student. One of the techniques is to make an energizer before starting your discussing. Make a 5 to 10 minutes game but related to your topic. This is some example to try include. One of the example is mind map. Mind map is a tool for brain that captures the thinking that goes inside your head. Mind mapping helps you think, collect knowledge, remember, and create ideas. Mind mapping is a useful technique that supports learning, improve information recording, show how different facts and ideas are related, and enhance creative problem solving. This is the example of mind mapping. You will make a word that connected on planning, creativity, productivity, and collaboration. Next is flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. Also defined as diagrammatic representation of algorithm, a step-by-step approach to solving a task. The flowchart shows the step as a boxes of various kinds and their order to connecting the boxes with the arrows. This picture is the example of flowchart. The student will make a step-by-step process of how to repair a lamp. Next is the KWL chart. Know, want, and learn. A KWL table or KWL chart is a graphical organizer designed to help in learning. The letter KWL are the acronym for an student in the course of a lesson already know, want to know, and ultimately learn. Like Navarro said, KWL, K is stand for what I already know, and W is stand for what I want to know, and the last L is stand for what I have to learn. Next is short quizzes. A short quizzes is a quiz referred to short tests of knowledge, typically around 10 questions in length with question formats, often including multiple choice, fill in the blank, true or false, or short answer. Quiz is a very powerful activity that can be used in variety situations, either to provide opportunity for reflection, feedback, for improving knowledge, for assessment. The importance of feedback for learning has been highlighted by a number of authors. It can contribute to student development and retention. In distance learning, immediately feedback given to students while they learn is utmost importance. Student interviews are the discussion with the student about their understanding scientific concept and phenomena. Student interview. You will ask your student for what they learned and what are the difficult topics that they didn't understand. Student reflections. Reflection, a process where students describe their learning, how it changed, and how it might relate to the future learning experience. This is the example of reflection. The student will make a reflection about what they learn, what they watch. Graphic organizers. A graphic organizer, also known as a knowledge map, concept map, story map, cognitive organizer, advanced organizer, or concept diagram is a pedagogical tool that uses visual symbol to express knowledge and concept through relation between them. A graphic organizer are visual chart and tools used to visually represent and organize student knowledge or ideas. They often use a part of writing process to help students map out ideas, plots, characters, details, and setting before beginning to write. Last is classroom discussion. A classroom discussion is sustained exchange between among teacher and their student with the purpose of developing student capabilities or skill and or expanding student understanding both shared and individual of a specific concept or instructional goal. Classroom discussion. When you are discussing, you will ask to your student what is their ideas about your topic. Like this picture, they are listening to each other. They will sharing their thoughts and ideas. Thank you for listening.